Okay, here's the trailer hooked up to the truck. See with the axle swap, how the machine is it's level. And that's the biggest thing why it's hooked up to the truck. So that way when you pull off somewhere, you ain't got to try to level it up as much because it's pretty level. That way you ain't got to worry about the oil. You know, if it was to cock like that, then your oil would run to one side of the pan. You could run into problems about, you know, oil pickup and burning up stuff, but you know, so that's not too bad, I don't think. So I had to hook it up, get it out of the shop this morning because I got some stuff going on in the shop today. But just a quick little video showing how level it is with the axle swap. All right, take care.